everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make this beautiful bracelet. This bracelet is really easy to make. So this is how it looks, and I have used fancy lock into this one. If you wanted to, you can use a regular lobster lock. So for this one, I have used size 10 mm pink turquoise beads. And for this one in the video, I'm going to teach you in 8 mm turquoise bead. You will be needing some crimp beads and some of 3 mm golden beads, some 4 mm. These are the holographic green beads. I really wanted to see how this will looks like, because I haven't tried this making this kind of a combo, but let's see. Then you will need a lock. You can use a regular lobster lock. You will need your cutter, and you will need this wire string, which I have purchased from AliExpress, and it's really nice and durable. I would really recommend to use this instead of using fish wire. You're going to take a really nice length of the wire. Now I'm going to cut. After taking the wire, you're going to take both ends, and now we're going to add our lock into it like that. And now I'm going to add my 3 mm gold bead. Okay, like that, and fix. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and add a crimp bead at this point and press. I don't really want it to, because I think that's look much pretty and clean than to add crimp bead and then add the one bead. So it's totally up to you. I like it this way. And now we're going to open these two wires, and I'm going to add 2 of these 4 mm beads on my right side wire, 2 beads on the left, and now 1 bead, the 3 mm one, on both sides, 1 on each side, on left and on right. So this is what your starting will looks like. Okay, and now I'm going to add and do the crisscross to our turquoise bead. Take your bead, insert your wire from the left and right one towards the left one towards the right, and right one towards the left. Hold both ends together and slide. This is how it looks like. Okay, now we are going to follow the pattern, which is going to be 1 gold on each 3 mm, 1 4 mm bead on each, then add 1 golden bead on each. And then we are going to crisscross our 8 mm bead. See, this is how it looks like. And as we compare with the 10 mm one, here I have used 4 mm and 6 mm bead, because the 10 mm is quite bigger. And here I have used 3 mm and 4 mm bead, because I am using size 8 mm. So this is, now you have to do all the way till you reach to the end, adding 1 of the golden bead, three mm, 4 mm, and then 3 mm. Add into the next side 3 mm, 4 mm, and 3 mm, like that. And now we are going to add in our 8 mm bead, and we are going to cross. If you wanted to, you can make it into a crystal with the crystal beads as well. So this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to complete this all the way till I'm reached to my desired length. And then I'm going to share what we are going to do at the end. So okay, so I'm happy with my desired length and it's almost complete. I have used 16 beads, 8 mm beads in the center, okay? And now at the end we're going to exactly repeat this as we did in the start, which is going to be one golden bead on each side, adding two of these 4 mm beads to each side, like that. And then we're going to join these both wires together and we are going to pass our 3 mm golden bead into this right here. And don't worry about this look at the shape, because once you're going to wear it, this will get in shape, okay? So don't worry about it. And now we are going to add in our crimp bead. Take your crimp bead, pass this through. Now we're going to add our second side of the lock and pass your wire through the crimp bead. Keep it tight and then don't make it too tight and not too loose, like that, so that your lock can easily freely rotate. And now we are going to take our presser tool. Now we are going to press our crimp bead and now we're going to cut the excess wire. Just press the wire so it will not hurt you. And there you have your green turquoise bracelet ready to wear. I'm doing with my one hand. Okay, fine. Perfect. So this is how it looks like. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. If you wanted to make it loose, you can go ahead and add 1 to 2 more beads, but I think it's fine. And look, it's in shape. All those parts which were not in proper shape are now in shape. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.